Hey, it's Jason. I'm here in Collegeville, Pennsylvania, where we just wrapped up a project that had a lot of different elements to it, including a swimming pool, small water feature, redoing a deck, and even a pavilion. Installed a river pool fiberglass R40 here. That was the first part of this whole project. There's a lot of really cool elements to that pool, such as seating benches, tanning ledge. The thing I like about this pool is it's big. It's about 40 feet long, 16 feet wide, and it has a lot of those cool elements, but it still leaves a ton of room for everybody to play and have a good time. Some other features that this pool has is 2 skimmers, 4 lights. We also have a heater on here, and all the pool equipment is actually hidden behind the pavilion. We created a 4-foot pool decking, and then in some other areas, we bumped it out to go a little bit larger. We did a bulldoze paver coping, and we have a paver pool decking. Down at the one end of the pool, it was really important that the kids had a spot to sit and hang out, not just in the pavilion, but in the sun. So we installed a nice seating boulder right into the pool decking. Having a pavilion near a pool is great. We love having pools in full sun, but sometimes you want to be able to get into the shade. This pavilion was designed to be able to do just that. When you pull in the driveway, this is one of the first areas you see, and it's just so inviting, and it just makes you want to go sit back by the pool. This pavilion also hides the pool equipment and doubles as a storage shed. So this pavilion has a really nice high roof on. You're able to put lighting in here, ceiling fan, and it was built out of materials to be very low maintenance. We come up with some really cool designs prior to building. However, I will tell you, we like to be flexible, and when we start to lay things out on the ground and show the client exactly what everything is going to look like, the client and our team decided that it would be better to change up the design just a little bit to create an area for shade, and that way everybody wasn't out in the sun. Also move it a little bit and turn the pool a little more. So it amazes me how we love the designs from the beginning, but when you truly start laying everything out on the ground, sometimes it comes out exact, but other times it's a lot of fun to start changing things up just a little bit. Here I am in the pavilion, but I can hear some water moving. Let's go check it out. So here we are at the Bubbling Rock. This just gives a little sound when you're on a deck, in the pool, walking around the pool deck, or in the pavilion. You know, we can do a lot of different things with small water features. It doesn't always need to be something real big. And we took the pavers and we made them pervious. We put a drilled rock on top, and we just let that water recirculate. We have a basin underneath here that once you fill this, the water just sits in there and recirculates with a pump. So it's a really low maintenance water feature that absolutely sounds great, looks great, and very low maintenance. As far as the pavers go, what we did is we made them permeable so the water can actually pass right through them back into the basin. So if this is not on, it'll just look like part of the pool deck, or when it's running, the water can just run right down through. So I was telling you that you could hear this from the deck. Let's go check out the deck that we had redone. All right, so here we are on a deck. There was an existing deck here, and we had a friend of ours that we work with, Ben, redo the deck for us. And he did an incredible job. I love the detail. A lot of our projects are stone, but sometimes mixing in some other elements can really bring a project together nicely. One of our favorite ways to design now compared to 20 years ago when we used to create just one big patio area is creating different hangout spots. And this project came out fantastic that way. You have the deck area, you have the pavilion, you have the lounge chair area. So instead of real big patios, sometimes it's really nice to just create some different hangout areas that seem to be more intimate and much more usable. So I hope you enjoyed checking out this project as much as I did. If you have any questions, please put it in the comments below. Please remember to like and subscribe. And until next time, keep building your outdoor dreams.